Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. So in this video I will teach you how you can use website builder in the SiteGround. Let's begin the video. We have opened the platform and you can see this website option on the top. Simply click on that. For creating a website, first you have to choose a domain. Then here you have three options for domain. You can choose a new domain, existing domain or temporary domain. For selecting new domain, you have to buy their subscription, and if you had already bought the domain, then you can continue with the existing domain. And here you have this temporary domain which is free, and this is basically for a certain time. I will just go with the existing domain here. After selecting the domain, here you have to add the website. Here you have two options. You can start new website or you can migrate website. I will just go with the start new website. Then here you have to choose the applications. Here you have this WordPress and you have this co-commerce and Weebly site builder. After selecting the website, here you have to go and you have to provide the login process like the password and the email. Now just click on continue. Here you can add the site scanner if you want to. For security, I will just skip that. And here now you can see that here we are all set. You can access your WordPress admin by simply login, and here you have this go to site tool where you can see your dashboard. Now here if we go to the website again, then here you can see more options. Here you can enable this SSL manager for adding more security and protection to your website. And similarly from here you can go to domain, and in domain you can see your WordPress and your WordPress plus commerce. From here you can install, and after installing you have to go to this activation, and from here you have to activate your account, and that's how you can use these applications. Now here I'm in the WordPress dashboard. You can see that you can also log into this dashboard by simply searching for this on your browser or Google. You can go to your website site and there you can look for this WordPress dashboard, and similarly from here you can also edit your website. So how you can do that? For that you have to scroll here, and here you have to go to appearance, and in appearance you can see this option called theme. From here you can select the theme. Here you have best variety. You can see here you have so many options. You can select from these options. Even you can add one from scratch as well. Here you can see that how much options you have here for theme. Now here in the research bar type in Esther. Now here click the install button and install that. After installing you have to go and you have to activate that. Once this will be activated, you can see this plugin option in the dashboard. Simply click on that. Now here select add new. Now here in the research bar type in starter templates and then research. Here you can see the starter templates. From here just install that, and now just go and activate. Now again go to appearance, and here you can see these starter templates that we have just installed. Simply click on that. Now here simply click on build your website button. Now here select one for the page builder. You have here three options. You can select from any of these. Now here you can see more templates and you can pick from these templates. You can also research in the research bar for a specific template. Like if we go and if we research for photography, now here you can see all the templates related to the photography. That was all about how you can set up your website builder in this SiteGround. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.